Hi, welcome back. This is not a major change, but it's like a quick observation about creation of the material as a general or special. Let's see in SAP or S4 HANA. Okay. So what happens here? So you can able to find two things, right? So when you choose special, you cannot able to choose your material type, I would say, manually. Okay. So if you try to observe, right, when you compare with previous versions of S4 HANA or ECC, this is not removed. That is one good thing. Okay. So you can able to use still you can able to use the same transaction code. So I think you can able to find here, right? So when you can able to see different kind of material types as he defaulted. For example, if I click so this will be selected automatically. That is the one major thing. Probably like based on material type, you will try to configure the respective tabs, right? So that could be the reason he would like to show something special when user wants to, uh, you know, on a quick mode, he would like to create something, or else you'll have a quick observation. That's why he has given. For example, if you say DIEN, this is already got introduced in ECC, all these material types. There is no special, okay, including returnable packing. Of course, why I'm not able to, I don't know. So this packing, it is coming. Most of the times it is coming. Like one thing it is, see HALB, it's already there in ECC. Okay. So like you would like to create a finished good, choose this simply. Choose your industry sector. There is not much defined here. Press enter, press enter, press enter. You go for creation of the material. There is nothing to explain. So let's create probably in next video if we get a chance to create a material. So this is not meant for this video. So that's it. You can able to that's it. You can able to get continue watching my videos so that you can able to get to create material, how to play with different fields in Middle Master. This is S4 HANA 2023. Newly, I'm just trying to observe this. Okay, you have to keep on update. All these are the different Udemy courses available at my end. If you really want it, you can subscribe. Keep learning and keep activate yourself. Sometimes it do happens. Okay. Wait for your time to get the job. Jai Bharat. Thank you. I wish you all the best. Have a great time. Have a great time, buddies. Have a great time.